Hello, my name is Sue Grant, and today we are having a look at the Oyster 575 Dreamer. Here she is on a very early morning on an autumn day in the UK on the gantry at Berthon. She has just completed a little refresh and is looking absolutely fantastic. See, she's got a triple spreader formula spar in great shape. Her gel coat is in epic condition. She's just had a fresh coat of anti-foul and she has been polished, and you would never know that she was from 2010. Just going to step on board. The owner has personally dealt with her teak decks, which are looking amazing. You see the dew on them now. Lovely twin wheel arrangement, large cockpit and wide, comfortable side decks with this lovely GRP upstand gunnel, which is a trademark of the Oyster range. And then we're just walking forward to the nice clear area and lots of space for anchor handling. Reckman furling for the front sail. All the sails are new, or the main ones are, from 2021, hardly out of the bag, from Dolphin. And she also comes with a cruising chute and asymmetric. She's also got a prodder and spinnaker pole on the mast. The sail handling is powered by a Lumar Commander power pack. She is very easy to handle. We'll just have a quick look at the electric davits. She's got an Avon 3.5 metre with a 15 horsepower Honda, which is all wrapped up and ready for use again. And then main sheet well out of the way. Really easy steering position. She's running on Raymarine, which was all updated this year. This owner has single-handed her often and has found her biddable and very easy to manoeuvre, both in port and at sea. He hasn't raced her very often, but when he has, she's done extremely well in the Ark and Oyster regattas. So now let's have a look at this cockpit. Fantastically protected for blue water and also great for drinks and dinner parties. Okay, now we are going to head below. This is Dreamer in the main saloon. Bear in mind that she is 2010, virtually faultless. Very well equipped navigatorium. She's also got BGAN, she's got full Wi-Fi, she's got onboard computer. Beautiful honey teak. Upholstery just out of the box. Lots of lovely oyster detailing. See these two opening hatches in the upper saloon windows. She's also air conditioned, of course. She was originally a cancelled order. Look at this upper and lower berth cabin. And this owner took her on when she was in build. And so, although she is hull 3, now here we have the main engine, which is 130 horsepower turbo, and she's also got an Onan 9.5 generator in front of it. All very tidy in there. And then we're going to walk forward again. As I was saying, she is hull 3, but completed at the same time as hull 8. Upper and lower berth cabin, very generous, lots of storage, lots of light, faultless joinery. Say hello to Harry, who is videoing this for us. And this is the heads compartment for guests. Very smart, separated shower stall, electric loo, nice vanity area, no rough edges. And as we go through this door, this is the VIP cabin, which is enormous, lots of light and air, wardrobe space, and lots of storage if you're having guests on board for a considerable period. Headlinings are all good. As you can see, the fly screen and hatch system is off the boat at the moment. That is being replaced. It wasn't quite so. The owner is incredibly precise, so everything on this boat has to be kept 100% at all times. And then we're going to go and have a look at the galley. Twin sink, 5-burner Force 10 cooker, Frigimatic refrigeration. There's a freezer that we're just passing, and the fridge is further aft. Lots of space for pans and supplies and so on. Full-sized fridge, microwave just above. All in Korean, the surfaces are just out of the box. Very rare to see a boat with no nicks in the joinery and floorboards so immaculate. Owner's cabin, masses of wardrobe space, large bed, masses of ventilation. There's entertainment in here. And this picture shows Dreamer at an Oyster regatta, very close to an Oyster 82, which, by the way, she beat in the 2013 Oyster Caribbean regatta. Lovely owners' heads, beautifully detailed, nice big shower, very smart. And there we see it all again. Lovely area in which to spend time. And then we're just going to retrace our steps through the galley and come and have another look at this remarkable main saloon. It's huge. Flat screen on the right hand side which pops up when you have need. Surround sound in this cabin as well. And then I think we should just pop up on deck and have one last look at what she offers outboard. Here we are, into this enormous cockpit. Great, usable, twin wheel, Oyster 575 Dreamer. Great for all oceans.